In this video, I want to go over the Flying Research Weekly Newsletter, issue number 17. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before we get into that newsletter, I just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So yesterday, I actually had a pretty good day. I did 55 sales, doing $54 in royalties. And today I have 18 sales and only $9 in royalties. And the reason why is because I have 4 returns, and one of the returns was like for $9. So this one, where's it? Right here, $8.59. So a good amount of sales, but not that much in royalties. But that is going to put me for the month of January at $164. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So like I was saying, in this video, I want to go over the Flying Research Weekly newsletter that they put out every week on Friday, issue number 17. If you don't have Flying Research, I recommend I'll kind of go over the benefits towards the end of the video. Let's just go ahead and dive into their newsletter. And the first thing that they talk about is the Amazon price cap. So you might have heard about this last week, where Amazon was putting a price cap on phone cases in the European markets. So right here they say, last time we speculated about a possible price cap on certain products in the Amazon Merch print-on-demand service. It's now evident that this was a deliberate decision rather than a bug. So this was on purpose, according to this newsletter. Initially, when the changes were implemented, people who reached out to Amazon Merch support found that even the support team was unaware. However, current inquiries to the support team are met with a standard response saying that these changes were made to maintain competitiveness in the marketplace. Thus, it appears that this price cap on purpose is now a confirmed policy. So it looks like that is going to stay. Me personally, I don't even really sell phone cases, so not really affects me that much. Now, the next thing that they talk about in the newsletter is the upcoming events. And these are the 3 big ones coming up in February. So Black History Month, I made a video about that for Etsy. I'll probably make one for Merch by Amazon. 100 Days of School. Now, that's a really big one. In my experience, I've never really been able to do too well in this niche because it's just kind of so competitive, and I find it's kind of hard to, niche down, but, doesn't mean you can't. So definitely want to take a look at that one as well. And then Valentine's Day, you guys know about that one. I've made a few videos. If you're looking for Valentine's Day niches, make sure to check out my playlist in my channel. I got some really good niches for Valentine's Day if you want to design for that niche. And then the next part, or the last 2 parts of this newsletter, is that they have 2 low competition niches that I want to get into. And the first one is magnet fishing. And if you don't know what magnet fishing is, it's basically where you fish with a fishing pole, but without a hook or bait. And you're not even fishing for fish. You're fishing for like metal objects, and you're using a magnet. So if we go to Google, so I can just kind of show you what some of the photos look like. So this is it right here, where people are going to rivers, lakes, and they're just fishing with these magnets, and they're trying to pick up like metal treasures, things that have like fallen into the lake, the river, maybe like a bike, motorcycle, I don't know, kind of a weird hobby to me, but it is selling on Merch by Amazon, and that's all that really matters. So if we go back to the newsletter, we are going to see that at a glance, magnet fishing is a hobby that involves using a strong magnet attached to a rope to find and retrieve metal objects from bodies of water. It's akin to treasure hunting. Magnet fishing combines outdoor activity with the thrill of discovery and an opportunity to contribute to environmental cleanup, making it an appealing hobby for a wide range of people. And we can see that the search volume for this picks up during August, during the summer. So if you get your designs up now, you might be able to get it ranked, maybe even get some reviews, so that when summer does come around, it will convert more. And we can see the trend. Looks like it's actually been going on for a little bit. Don't really see a little spike here and a spike here. Here are some of the top keyword performers. Obviously, the main ones are going to be magnet fishing. If we look at the key metrics in the U.S. market, we're going to see that there's 778 products on Amazon, 9,000 clothing products, and the main one, the one that's most important, at least in my opinion, is 258 Amazon merch shirts. And we can actually confirm this by using Merch Informer and just going to their website and typing in magnet fishing. And if we hit search, we are going to see that the amount of competition is what they say, right around 200, and well, here they have it at 283. And a lot of times I get a lot of people commenting on my videos saying like, hey, when I search for this niche, there's like, so many results. And the reason why there's so little results when I search is because I'm using Merch Informer, and I'm just searching merch by Amazon shirts. I'm not searching like all Amazon's database, all the FBA shirts. I'm just, with this website right here, I'm just searching merch by Amazon shirts. So hopefully that will clear up some people's, 4 shirts. Nice. Girl. Oh man. 4 girls trip. Okay, so that's another good niche too, girls trip, and you just cross niche it with like 2024 and any type of location. But let's get back to this. Actually, no, let's go ahead and take a look at those listings, because right here we're going to see it's low in competition and it is selling. So right here I saw a good one, so I'd rather be Magnet Fishing. It's got 2 reviews at 20 bucks, 3 million or almost 4 million BSR. So not the best, but look at this one. Warning, I may start talking about magnet fishing at any time. It has 110 BSR, and I don't even think this is in the Climate Pledge friendly category. At least I don't see it. And it is selling at 17 bucks with 2 reviews. If we go back to the what's it called, the newsletter, we can go ahead and take a look at some of the facts about this. So when a customer searches for magnet fishing clothing, you will compete also against normal fishing designs. Okay, so that's one kind of negative, but there is great search volume and also many keywords for a relatively small niche, so equaling potential. And if we take a deeper dive into this niche, we can see what some of the best sellers are, and we can confirm this because we just saw this one right here. And right here, a comment is, this is a small to mid-sized niche where organic sales are possible, though a modest advertising budget could also be beneficial. So ads are not necessary, but they could help. Remember, this isn't about traditional fishing. It's focused on magnet fishing, which involves using a fishing rod with a magnet to retrieve metallic objects from water. Simple text designs accompanied by basic graphics can be effective here. Just be sure to highlight the magnet as it is the key element that defines this niche. So you're going to notice with a lot of these niches, the main element is the magnet. So when you design for this, you just want to make sure that you have a nice magnet like this that really stands out. You can see the magnet is like the big focal point of the majority of these bestsellers. Gives us so this actually I really like right here. So it kind of gives us a better example listing right here. So it's going to say for the brand, this is what we should use right here, Magnetic Treasure Hunter Fisherman, and it gives us a title, and it gives us a couple bullet points that we can use for our listing. So I think that's pretty cool how they do that. They give us an A for niche, A for potential, and B for organic. And then they actually offered or show us this secondary alternative niche, which is dirt fishing, which is basically similar to magnet fishing, but instead you're going to be doing it on the dirt. I mean, we could just take a quick look to see what this actually is all about. So let's go with like dirt fishing, and then we'll also take a look to see, because I don't know what you'd be fishing for in the dirt. So it looks like it's only just pulling up t-shirts, which is kind of interesting. So maybe it's like treasure hunting, I'm not too sure. But if we go back to Merch Informer and we search for it, so let's go dirt fishing. Let's see if this works. There we go, dirt fishing. We'll be able to take a look at the competition, because according to this newsletter, they're saying that this dirt fishing niche is actually has more potential than the magnet fishing one. So right here we're going to see for dirt fishing 149 results. Saving history. Dirt fishing, so it looks like a lot of these retro designs could work. Don't know if this has a BSR or not, but this is the second niche that they're recommending. Let's go ahead and take a diver deep into it. So similar to magnet fishing, this is a sub niche of metal detecting. Okay, so it's basically like metal detecting. Despite what search volumes might indicate, this niche is actually more prominent on Amazon than magnet fishing. Like I was talking about, this offers a similar alternative opportunity for those looking to explore this area. Advertising is likely necessary to gain traction. We can take a look at the search volume trend over the years. Here it's saying there's 545 results. When I did my search, it said 149, so I'm not too sure why the discrepancy. But if we go back here, they also supply us, or this newsletter also comes with a graphic. So this is the graphic that they supplied. It's this fishing rod right here. So if you were to sign up for Flying Research, you get a graphic like this. You could take this, you can maybe put in like a retro sunset, add in, I don't know, maybe some text, one of those quotes that they're saying. But I think that's pretty cool that they add in this free graphic here. What else do they have? Okay, yeah, so that's it. So yeah, so that is the weekly newsletter from Flying Research. And if you want to sign up for Flying Research, first let me just show you like how I like to use it, because there's basically two functions that I like. You have the best sellers, and then you have the seller trends. And a lot of people ask me like, where do you find all those trending niches? And it's from actually Flying Research. That's one of them. I also use Merch Informer as well, but I've become a big fan of Flying Research. That is why I'm promoting it. So what you do is you just come here and you just click on seller trends, and you can set it up how you like it. United States, t-shirt, newest. There's some advanced options as well. Let's take a quick look at those. Sorry, my internet's a little slow. Okay, there we go. So time period, 1 week. You can choose on all trends, winners, losers, defenders. I like to have it as newcomers, and it's going to pop up. It's going to show us the the trending niches. And so right here we're going to see this one, this Lions one. So this is something you absolutely do not want to do right here. There's a big football play that happened last week with the Lions. So yeah, you definitely don't want to do this. My rule when it comes to just like sports or professional sports teams, I always just stay away. Yes, it's very tempting, but for me, it's just not worth it. This one also is related to football, not today. Saban is a football coach. You want to stay to niches more like this, like Family Cruise, awesome since January 1988. Baptized, I made a video about that one. You can just pop in the year 2024. But you just get these trending niches, and it updates pretty much every day. All right, so that's the way I like it. Oh, another thing that I also like to do is you can just pop in like keywords. So like let's just go like Valentine's Day. Now it doesn't really do that great with like if you do like 3 words or something. So I always just kind of keep it like kind of short and sweet, 1 word. But you can pop in like Valentine's. You can pop in like Trump. You can pop in 2024. You can pop in what else is coming up? Maybe like 100 days of school to find some trending niches, to give you some ideas, to give you some inspiration. And a lot of those Valentine's Day videos that I made, I actually use Flying Research to find those niches. So the internet is taking, okay, there we go. So here are some, like this one right here. I added that in my video. So this is a new one I didn't see, working the poll. That's hilarious. These Valentine's Day cross niche with nurse tend to do really well. But you can see here, they have all these. This is where I also found this V is for versed one. So when people ask me, where do you find these niches? This is where I do it. If you want to sign up for Flying Research, I do have an affiliate link in my description. So it is the 4th link down, this one right here, Flying Research. If you click on that link, it will take you to this page right here. And I think they have a free trial, but the free trial or the free subscription doesn't come with the trending niches. And that's pretty much all I like. Now you can take a look and see if there's maybe other ones that you like. But me, I just like this one right here, this first one, where you're fully covered from best sellers over seller trends to evergreen. So this first one right here for $20 or something like that is going to give you access to the seller trends and the best sellers. And that's pretty much me personally, all I really care about. I don't really care too much about the AI stuff, the trademark, or the research bundle. I just want those, those trending niches. So if you're interested, you want to sign up to Flying Research. The link is here in the description. It is the 4th one. They charge about $20 a month. But it's been a big reason why I've been able to get a lot of good sales like this right here. All right, so that is going to be the video for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. I love reading all your guys' comments, so make sure to comment. You can also, if you have a question, you just want to directly message me, you can send me a message on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. But that is going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.